You want to learn how to make authentic Jamaican stew peas with smoked turkey neck? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Look at this. Nice and tasty. First, I am going to wash 2 cups of red peas. Add water. Add garlic, pimento. I'm going to cover the pot and allow the peas them to boil for 15 minutes before I add the smoked turkey neck. So I'm just going to cut the turkey neck them in small pieces. So I'm going to rinse them off with lime juice. Okay, it is 15 minutes since I put the peas them to boil. Now I'm going to add the turkey neck. I'm going to make them boil for 15 more minutes before I add the coconut milk. So I have 2 cups of water in the blender. So the peas them been boiling for 30 minutes now. I'm going to check them if them cook. So the peas them cook. I'm going to add the coconut milk now. Now I'm going to cover the pot for it to come back to a boil. Now the pot come to a boil. I'm going to season it up now. Add fresh thyme. Going to add onions, sweet peppers and carrots. Add tomatoes, scallions. Going to add 1 tablespoon green seasoning. To add 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning. One Scotch bonnet pepper. Now I am going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 20 more minutes. After 20 minutes, the stew peas is ready to serve. Okay, this is it. Turn off the stove. Now I am going to serve a plate. So here I have it. Authentic Jamaican stew peas with smoked turkey neck. Don't ask me about no pork in my comment. Fireball. Nice and tasty.